Jumpinthepack, FerPlays, SENPAL, rubicoTV, RiotGamesLatino, LoLeventVOD, Esports VOD, LVPward, Brofresco, Revenant L0L, Nervarien, LOL Esports VR, Sky Williams, Protatomonster, Pokimane, EpicSkillshot, LVOD Library, Lone Coyote, Professor Akali, Espers, Karasmai, Eternal Hero, TSM, Instalok, RememberTheBeat, Maxim, HuzzyGames, Pianta, Redmercy, Dragon, Dyrus, Uber Danger, LilyPichu, Dyrus, Foxdrop Low LB, a better lead player, Kshaway, Solo Renekton only, IKeepItTaco, Night Blue 3, Gossip, Anklespankin, KingStix, BunnyFuFuu, Video Game Donkey, TrickTwoG, Magikarp used Fly, League of Legends, Skin Spotlights.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care.